The good thing about our growth is that it's coming across the segments, and we have been able to grow very well across motorcycles and scooter, and within motorcycles across segments. Just to give you a flavor, while we've grown overall 14% this month, our growth in scooters is 65%. And if you look at premium segment, which is 150cc and above, we're growing by over 25%. Even in 100cc, our growth is 12%. So I think it's an all-round growth across segments, and also in scooter, which, as you know, is doing extremely well.
So there is no deviation in monsoon. It has hit southern India. So you think the sales will grow better from here as monsoon is on its way?
Yes, we are happy with the monsoons having started on time. Indeed, yesterday hitting Kerala. There has been prediction about normal monsoon, which is very good for the rural economy and overall in general. Despite the worst ever drought last year, agriculture has grown by 0.2%. So it's a good sign that if the monsoons are good, then agriculture and rural economy can really contribute to the overall growth. The good thing from our category point of view is that the penetration levels of two-wheelers in rural India are very low. And therefore, if the monsoons are good and the rural economy is buoyant, we can definitely expect a rapid growth in contribution of rural to our category, and that bodes well for us.
And despite from the high raw material prices, and any likelihood of passing those if they are, because you had not earlier passed on to the customers?
Well, I have an important news for you, and that is effective today. We are taking up our prices. The commodity prices have been going up for quite some time. There seems to be some respite of late, but over last 6 months, and indeed over last 1.5 years, the prices had firmed up. Our last commodity price linked increase was in August 2008. In between, there have been changes because of excise changes, but this is the first genuine price increase linked to commodity price movement that we are taking effective today, 1st June 2010. And this price increase is a modest price increase of ₹500 across our range for most of our models.